Hi, morning. What we've got for sale today is a Beosound 1 CD laser mech. This is the part number 1255, and it comes with all the rubbers, which are in absolute perfect condition on all the feet, which are very, very hard to get at the moment because B&O are no longer actually doing the Mark III lasers, so this one has actually had a brand new laser put in, and the mechanism is absolutely spanking. It's in top condition, with very little use or wear on the cogs at all, and yeah, it is a very, very clean part, and this is the actual part that you will receive. So if you can take note of that serial number there. So that's the actual part that you'd get. So everything is in absolutely pristine, perfect condition. I'll just turn that music up. You can hear that spinning away, so I'll just turn that off. And I'll remove that top part, and you can actually see that everything is like pristine condition. A couple of little minor marks on there. I don't know. Just needs to look clean. But yeah, it works first time and it works every time. And it's been on test here for many hours, and yeah, showing zero errors. So yeah, that's your part, the part on eBay right now. So I can get that to you within 24 hours, ready to ship. Thank you very much.